Hi students, how are you? Welcome to grade 12 business mathematics class. We are dealing with our fourth chapter, differential equations. So last section, we are in last section. So last day I have started the type 2 in second order first degree linear equations. The first degree equation. So in the type 2, so only one example problem we have completed. Today we are going to start from example 4.30. Okay. Question is, solution. Keep it in mind here e power ax. So 2 is there, is it right? So f1x and f2x. So you need to find particular integral 1 and particular integral 2. In our last problem we have completed for only particular integral, only one, is it right? So here it is 2. So separately you need to find two particular integral 1 and 2. Okay, understand? Okay. So before that you write down the given equation. Okay, what's the auxiliary equation? M square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Find out the factors. 1, here minus 2 means minus 1, minus 1. So what are the factors? M minus 1 is equal to 0. So m equal to 1 comma 1. So the roots are real and equal. Okay. So what about CF? Ax plus b into e power 1x, that is 6. So now you are going to find the particular integral. So 1 by pi of d into f of x. Okay, this is a formula. So for that particular integral 1 first you will do. So for that 1 by d square minus 2d plus 1 e power 2x, correct? First one. So e power 2x. So what will you do? You will substitute this particular 2 as in d. So 1 by 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 1 e power 2x. Replace d by 2. Simplify. One by 4 minus 4 plus 1 e power 2x. So this will get 1 by 1 is 1 e power 2x. So this is a value for particular integral 1. Okay. Then next one is particular integral 2 equal to 1 by d square minus 2d plus 1 e power x. Students, listen here. Check it. But if it is here, it is 1, is it right? If you are substituting 1 here, what will happen? 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 you will get. Now come to the type 2, that is in your book. Take down in your book. Now I am explaining this one. Listen here. If pi of d equal to 0. So if we are substituting in the place of d as 1, you will get pi of d equal to 0. If pi of d equal to 0, when d equal to a, then what's the particular integral? See here. X into, understand? X into 1 by pi dash of d into e power x. So again when you are doing time, d provided by a, pi dash not equal to 0, divide this one. If pi dash of d equal to, again it will be 0 means you will substitute as x square. So according to that we need to do this. Okay. So here if you are substituting 1 here, this will change as 0. So denominator shall we write it in the form of d minus 1 the whole square e power x. So replace d by 1. If you are replacing d by 1, what will happen? D minus 1 the whole square, you will get as 0 when d equal to 1. Is it right? So when you are substituting in the place of d as 1, it will become 0. So what is particular integral to? X into 1 by pi dash. Is it right? X into 1 by pi dash. That's the formula. Pi dash means this power will come here. So 2 into d minus 1 into e power x. So, okay, so replace d by 1. D minus 1 is equal to 0 when d equal to 1. Listen here, if we are substituting again in the place of d as 1, what will happen again? You will get 0, is it right? So when you are finding the particular integral, what will you do? What I say? X square. You need to substitute as x square 1 by 2 into e power x. This is particular integral 2. Understand, students? So when we are getting in the place of d minus 1, if you are substituting that particular value, if you are getting 0, x. So again when you are substituting 1, you will get 0. So x square. Understand? What's the general solution? The general solution is y is equal to CF plus particular integral 1 plus particular integral 2. Substitute y is equal to ax plus b e power x plus e power 2x plus x square by 2 e power x. Okay, so this is a required answer. So particular integral 1, particular integral 2. Have you all understand how will you find the particular integral here? So here in the place of this one you substitute and see if you are getting 0, x into 1 by pi dash, is it right? So again when you are getting 0, x square into 1 by pi dash of e power x. So pi dash means 2 into this one will be. Next problem, example 4.31. Solve 3d square plus d minus 14 into y equal to 4 minus 13 e power minus 7 by 3 into x. Solution. What's the given equation? 3d square minus d minus 14 plus d minus 14 of y equal to 4 minus 13 e power minus 7 by 3 into x. Write down the auxiliary equation. What's the auxiliary equation? 3m square plus m minus 14 equal to 0. Factorize minus 14. Here it is 1. Sorry. 3 into 14. 42. So minus 42. Here it is 1. What are the factors? 6 into 7. Okay. So here it is minus. Correct. So factors 3m square minus 6m plus 7m minus 14 equal to 0. So 3m is common. So m minus 2 plus 7 is common. m minus 2 equal to 0. So 3m plus 7 is one factor. m minus 2 equal to 0. 2 factors. So m is equal to minus 7 by 3 comma 2. So the roots are real and equal or unequal? The roots are real and different, is it right? So what is CF? A e power m1. Next, so 1 by 3 into x plus b e power 2x. So find out the particular integral. Here for 4 we now need to find, is it right? This alone you need to do. Okay. So that is only one number, it's not separate. So 1 by pi of d into f of x. So that's equal to 1 by 3d square plus d minus 14 into 4 minus 13 e power minus 7 by 3 into x. Okay. So you are going to split as 2. That's equal to 1 by 3d square plus d minus 14 of 4. That is separate. Then plus 1 by 3d square plus d minus 14 minus 13 e power minus 7 by 3 into x. So that's equal to particular integral 1 plus particular integral 2 separately. So first we are going to find particular integral 1. 1 by 3 d square plus d minus 14. If it is not in the term as e power something means e power 0x, that's the meaning. 0x. So substitute in the place of d as 0. So 4e power 0x. So actually gets 1 by minus 14 4. Is it right? So that's equal to minus 4 by 14. If we cancel, minus 2 by 7. This is particular integral. Now we are going to find particular integral 2. Okay. 1 by 3 d square plus d minus 14 into minus 13 into e power minus 7 by 3 into x. So in the place of d, how much you need to substitute? How much you need to substitute? Minus 7 by 3. So if we are substituting minus 7 by 3, it will be 0. Check it. Check it if you are substituting minus 7 by 3 e into minus 7 by 3 plus 7 by 3 the whole square minus 14. Okay, so 3 into 14 by 9 plus 7 by 3 minus 14. So it will be cancelled. 3 LCM is 13. 3 14 plus 7 minus so this one 49, is it right? So 49. If you simplify, what will you get? 49. This is minus. Okay. So minus. So 49 minus 7 minus 42 by 3. So you will get 0. Is it right? So last problem I taught you, if it is 0. So what will you do? 1 by pi dash of x. Is it right? So particular integral 2 equal to 1 by x into pi dash. Is it right? So pi dash means 3 into 2 6d plus 1 into minus 13 e power minus 7 by 3 into x. Okay. So that's equal to, again next what will you do? Again what will you do? We will substitute this minus 7 by 3 here. Is it right? And check it whether it will be 0 or not. If it is not 0, no problem. So 6 into minus 7 by 3 plus 1 minus 13 e power minus 7 by 3 into x. So you will get cancelling time 2 minus 14 plus 1 minus 13. So x by minus 13 e power minus 7 by 3 into x. If it is 0, then again next step will go. Otherwise we will stop it here. So it will get minus 13, it will get cancelled. So x into e power minus 7 by 3 into x. This is particular integral 2. Substitute, then write down the general solution. Is y is equal to CF plus PI1 plus PI2. Y is equal to A e power minus 7 by 3 into x plus B e power 2x minus 2 by 7 plus x e power minus 7 by 3 into x. This is a recurrence. Let's move to next problem. Example 4.32. In this chapter, this is the last example. I am reading a question from your work. Suppose that the quantity demanded QD and the quantity supplied, where the price P is the price at the equilibrium price for market price. So already I taught you for the market price, if it is in equilibrium, both are equal. Is it right? So we are going to equate. That is for, read the question and write down the question from your book. That is at equilibrium QD equal to QS. Okay. So what will happen? 29 minus 2p minus 5 into dp by dt plus d square p by dt equal to 5 plus 4p. Bring all the terms to one side, ma. 29 minus 2p minus 5 into dp by dt plus d square p by dt minus 5 minus 4p equal to 0. So combine and write down 24, this 2 means minus 6p minus 5 into dp by dt plus d square p by dt square equal to 0. So combine it, d square p by dt square minus 5 into dp by dt minus 6p equal to constant next side minus 2. So this equation how will you write? D square minus 5d minus 6, here it is in the form of p, so that's equal to minus 24. Okay, then same as previous problems. What's the auxiliary equation? What's the auxiliary equation? M square minus 5m minus 6 is equal to 0. Understand, students? So nothing is not different. If it is in equilibrium, both are equal, that you have learned in last unit in one exercise. Both are equal. Take down all the terms to one side and change it. So now you got the equation. It's in the form of second order homogeneous first degree equation. So the auxiliary equation is m square minus 5m minus 6 equal to 0. Factorize minus 6 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2. Correct? So m minus 3, m minus 2. So what are the values? Sorry, it is wrong. We can't get. It is minus, is it right? So minus 1 and 5. Sorry, 1 and 6. Minus. Now it's correct. So m plus 1 factor, m minus 6 is another factor. So m is equal to 6 comma minus 1. The roots are real and different. Okay. So what is the CF? A e power 6t plus b e power minus t. Okay. So what is particular integral? 1 by pi of d into f of x is equal to 1 by d square minus 5d minus 6. F of x is minus 24 e power 0t. Okay. So substitute 1 by, substitute in the place of d as 0. If you are getting 0, we need to do as another 1 by pi dash of t, pi d is right. So here we won't get 0, here it is 6 is there. So minus 6 will be there, minus 24 e power 0t. So minus will get cancelled, you will get as 4. E power 0t, the value is 1. So what's the general solution? P is equal to, it's not y, CF plus PF. Y is, P is equal to A e power 60 plus B e power minus t plus 4. Here it is dp by dt. Keep it in mind, dx by dt means x and t. dy by dx means y is equal to. Okay. So there are all the difference. You differentiate it and please learn it thoroughly. Okay. So examples, everything over. So exercise it will be very easy, you can do, but 1 or 2 problems you will feel somewhat difficult. So that everything I will do separately. Okay. Okay, listen. First problem, second problem, third problem, 5 and 6 you have completed as homework already. So take down the today's homework. So fourth problem it will be a slight difference. So fourth problem I will do for you. Seventh problem also you will feel somewhat difficult, so that one I will do. Eighth problem also I will do for you. Then problem number 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Same as the problems whatever we do it today. Okay. So homework is exercise 4.5, problem number 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13, everything same as our example today we have did. Okay, so see the example problem similar to that. Okay, and do it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All the problems are homework for you. Then in exercise, what are the problems of balance now? Problem number 3, problem number 4, problem number 7 and problem number 8. I think today if we start means also we can't complete the, 3 also we have completed, is it right? So only problem number 4, 7 and 8 you need to do, okay? Problem number 7, 8 and 4. So 3 problems are left there. So I think in our next class we will complete the 3 exercise problem and then we will discuss the one words also. Okay, so in the one class it will be over. Okay, students, don't leave, please learn. This is very important section. 5 mark question compulsorily you will get from this exercise. Okay, so it's a very important section. So you learn the section very thoroughly. It will be very easy according to the nature of the roots. Then this particular interview type 1 and 2 differentiate it and learn it. So it will be very easy for you. Do the homeworks, then only you will get the practice. If you have any doubt you can ask with me. I will clear your doubts. Okay. So 3 problems are left. We will do it in our next class and we will discuss the one words also. Be safe, students. We won't repeat it again. So make it serious and take down all the things to your class. Okay. Please do everyday portions. Don't waste the time. Learn it. This is all the important sections. It will be helpful for you in our higher studies also. So do it. Okay. So if you have a time, you take the additional problems and do that. Miscellaneous problems are there. So you know already in 11th grade also half yearly, quarterly and all what they will do. They won't ask the book back questions, is it right? So something creatively they will ask. So when you are getting the time, please try the extra problems also. Then only will be very favored with that. Learn children. Okay, be safe. Thank you. We will meet in the next class.